Hi everybody, this is Doc Mengay. Okay, I would like to share this information do sa mga may diabetes, overweight, okay, do sa mga obese. Hindi nyo kailangan iwasan yung white rice. Si Miss Dalia Morin, she is a plant-based registered dietitian, once said that yung pagkonsumo ng white rice can actually be beneficial in our health. Ang gagawin nyo lang, pagkaluto nyo ng white rice, let it cool down o pwede nyo rin ilagay sa ref. And then, pwede nyo naman siya i-warm or i-reheat kapag gusto niyo na siya i-consume. Okay, itong process na to, yung pagpapalamig ng white rice is called retrogradation process, kung saan papataasin natin yung resistant starch ng white rice. Kapag tumaas yung resistant starch ng white rice, hindi siya ma-absorb sa small intestine. It will go to your colon or your large intestine and it will be fermented by the bacteria. This will be beneficial for your gut health. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo. Bye-bye!